Hey guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a review on the Hergivenhair Diva Curly Unit. This video is sponsored by Hergivenhair, and by now you guys know how much I love working with them. I love their hair, so I wanted to go ahead and try this unit out for myself and give you guys my honest feedback. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you guys already went ahead and saw how the wig came packaged. It came in a black box, and this is the unit straight out the box. And you guys, I could not stop running my fingers through this unit. Like, the hair is so soft to the touch, and you guys can see exactly how thick the ends are. Like, from root to tip, the unit is so full. And so the unit does have 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps to give a snug fit. So that was nice, and it helps to keep the wig even more secure. And then I also received some extra combs, extra clips, and an elastic band just in case I needed to sew it down to make my wig even more secure. Before I wear any of my units, I like to shampoo the unit out just to make sure I get rid of any dirt and things like that. So here I am just rinsing the wig off, and then I'll go in with my shampoo the hair, rinse the shampoo out, and then let my hair air dry. The first thing I noticed while shampooing this hair was how easy it was to wash the hair and detangle the hair with my fingers. Like, my fingers were literally sliding through the hair. And the texture on this wig, I believe, is called Burmese. So the texture is a lot looser than previous textures that I've worn from Hergivenhair. And I just love how manageable it was, how easy it was to detangle, how easy it was to just glide my fingers or a comb or a brush, just whatever the case may be. It's so easy. So that's like the first thing off the bat that I realized, and I was very appreciative of just how manageable this hair was. After rinsing out the excess water, I like to let my wigs air dry, especially whenever it's curly hair. It's just so much easier. It doesn't require any work. And this particular unit, honestly, you guys, air dries so fast. So I think I was doing this at like midnight, and the hair is dry first thing in the morning. So it air dried super fast, and it's just the easiest way to style my hair. So I didn't apply any product at all. I just wanted to see how the hair did as is without adding any product. And you guys can see exactly how defined the curls are, how juicy the curls are. There is like no frizz in sight, which was amazing considering there was no product at all in this hair. And as you guys can see, I am working a diamond brush through the hair just to help define the curls even more, but it honestly didn't really need much work at all because the curls were pretty defined straight after being washed. And that little bit of shedded hair, y'all, that is all that I got after detangling and running a brush through the hair several times. So this hair had very, very, very minimal shedding and no tangling whatsoever. So I went ahead and let the unit air dry overnight, and this is how it's looking in the morning after it being 100% dry. The curls are still defined and still juicy, so that's a great sign. And of course, I just need to cut off the excess lace in the front so that way I'm not walking around looking like a fool. So I just went ahead and cut that off using some hair shears, and this is how my lace is looking in the front. And if you are wondering, I did not do any plucking or cutting baby hairs, anything like that to the unit. So that is just how natural it looks without any customization. So before I put on my wig, I just want to show you guys how my hair is looking. It actually looks pretty rough. I can't even lie. I tried to like braid my hair while it was straight, and it was a fail, like complete fail. So I will not do that in the future, but I was kind of like just not in the mood to deal with it. So I put a couple of braids in, and then I threw on my wig cap to kind of keep everything a little bit more flat, kind of help it out a little bit. And as you guys can see, I did go ahead and sew a little bit of the elastic band to my wig just to kind of help give my wig extra security, to help it lay flatter and just keep it nice and snug so that way it does not go anywhere throughout the day. Just plop that bad boy on and kind of position it so that way it lines up with my part. Now, for most girls, whenever they wear, full lace wigs, they'll, do like all the glue and things like that. I honestly have no time for that, and I just I just don't like doing that. I really don't. I love the idea of a full lace wig, but I don't have time to really deal with the customization unless I just want to sit there for a good amount of time and deal with it. And today was just not that day. So instead of doing all that, I did leave out some leave out. And my goal is to just blend the leave out in with the wig and have it all flowing, have it look seamless, and just kind of go from there instead of spending a lot of time trying to like lay my wig as flat as possible and do all those extra steps that are just unnecessary. So pretty much I'm using some gel to lay my edges, but also kind of help brush my edges and leave out into the unit. So that way, whenever like the wind blows, it looks very seamless and it looks like it's my hair. So you can't really see the lace at all unless you get super duper close. And honestly, for an everyday basis, I think this works just fine. It only takes a few minutes, especially whenever you're used to doing this technique, and it just saves you time, saves you energy, and honestly, at night whenever you get home from work, whatever you're doing that day, it is so much easier to just whip that bad boy off, put it on your wig stand, and get comfortable and go to sleep. I love it so much. So now I'm moving on to applying a little bit of concealer to help blend my part a little bit more and hide that line of demarcation. That makes it look even more natural. And then last but not least, I apply a scarf and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This step helps to lay my edges and also continue to blend my leave out with the hair on the unit. So after about 10 minutes, it is time to remove the scarf and my edges are looking very laid. So all you have to do now is just fluff your hair, shake it out until you are satisfied. And I love the shape of this Diva curly unit. The inches is 14 inches, but it has the perfect shape, and the shape came just like this out the box, you guys. Like there was no cutting, no shaping done at all. This is exactly how it looks out the box, and it honestly takes maybe 30 seconds to kind of fluff your hair out. The hair just falls perfectly. So this wig for me gets 2 thumbs up. I love the shape, love the texture, love how manageable this hair is. And it's definitely going to be in rotation as an everyday wig because that's just how easy it was to kind of install. So hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to go ahead and comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. Thank you again, Hergivenhair, for sponsoring today's video. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye guys.